Hello guys. So if you're looking to create proper logos from Midjourney, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that now. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. So firstly, when you are in Midjourney, you need to have a detailed description of the logo and the company that you're making the logo for. So for me, I'm going to use 3 example companies: a car dealership, a plant house, and a tow truck company. So these 3 are the examples that I'm going to use and create a logo for. So firstly, I'm going to create a logo for a tow truck company. So firstly, what you can do is just simply click over here, /imagine. Now start writing. So you can write logo, design, then hit comma and add more details like the name of the company. Now you can add more details like what type of art you want. For me, it's going to be 2 art, 2D and vector. So let's do it. So just simply enter comma 2D and again comma vector. Now add more details that you want to see in your logo. So for example, minimalistic and flat. Now just simply hit enter. Now if you want to give some image weight, you can also do that, like logo and the main standpoint is a truck and a wheel. So you can do that by just simply hitting space, then -IW, which is image weight. Then you can give an image weight. The max is 2.5. So I'm going to give 2. And the image weight that we are going to give is onto a wheel and a truck, or a tow truck to be exact. Now, after adding the entire detail, just simply hit enter and wait for the results. So as you can see, it came up with the results, and I also used some different prompts to get this result over here as well. And they are pretty good logos, as you can see right over here. Now you can download any of the image by upscaling it, and you can easily edit the image and make a proper logo on any software like Canva or Photoshop. Now we are going to make 2 more different variants of logos. So the second variant is of a car dealership. So just simply write /imagine, then enter the entire detail from the top. Then again, just simply /imagine, give a prompt for the car dealership. So as you can see, I gave a pretty good description of what I'm looking for. Now just simply hit enter and wait for the results to come. So as you can see over here, I tried multiple variants in prompts and got multiple results that you can use to create logos, and they are all pretty good, as you can see right over here. So just like this, you have to create logos and then add text and edit them in softwares, websites like Canva or Photoshop. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.